Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Sinha. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of just in time part 2. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग लास्ट लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने जस्ट इन टाइम की मीनिंग, उसका डेफिनेशन, उसके बारे में और भी सारी चीज़ें पढ़ी थी। तो मैं फिर से एक बार रिकॉल करना चाहती हूँ कि जस्ट इन टाइम एक्चुअल में होता क्या है। तो जस्ट इन टाइम मतलब बिल्कुल समय पर। अगर हम कोई भी चीज़ एकदम समय पर दे रहे हैं तो उसका मतलब होता है जस्ट इन टाइम। जस्ट इन टाइम एक जापानिश मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फ़िलॉसफी है जो 1970 से यूज़ की जा रही है। जापान की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जस्ट इन टाइम फ़िलॉसफी में ये होता है कि जो भी चीज़ें वेस्ट हैं, या ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि जो भी चीज़ें मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में वैल्यू एडेड नहीं कर रही हैं, चाहे वो रिवर्क हों, चाहे वो वेस्ट हों, चाहे वो स्क्रैप हों, उनको निकाल दिया जाता है ताकि जो हमारा प्रोडक्शन हो सारी चीज़ें टाइम पे हों। ये हमारा लास्ट लेक्चर का रिकॉल था एक्चुअल में कि जस्ट इन टाइम का मीनिंग क्या होता है। हम जस्ट इन टाइम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए अब इसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं जस्ट इन टाइम की फ़िलॉसफी क्या होती है। तो जस्ट इन टाइम एक्चुअल में होता है कि जस्ट इन टाइम इज़ नॉट just a manufacturing technique but the philosophy of manufacturing that influences a company relationship with its suppliers, customers and employees. The two basic underpinnings of this philosophy are elimination of anything that does not add value for the customer and continuous improvement. Thus the emphasis is on efficient utilization of resources, where resources can include time, material and people. Just like that, just in time activities include setup and lead time reduction, minimization of inventory, employee involvement in the decision making process, cooperative arrangements with suppliers, and a focus on meeting the needs of the customers. The just in time philosophy fosters an environment where continuous improvement are sought in waste reduction and quality. Another important aspect of JIT philosophy is that improves the relationship with employees, and employees are given broad problem solving and decision making authority. अगर हम इसके एग्जाम्पल के बारे में बात करें तो जस्ट इन टाइम इज़ ईजी टू ग्रेस्प कॉन्सेप्चुअली, एवरीथिंग हैपन्स जस्ट इन टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कंसिडर माई जर्नी टू वर्क दिस मॉर्निंग. आई कुड हैव लेफ्ट माई हाउस just in time to catch a bus to train station, just in time to catch the train, just in time to arrive at my office, just in time to pick up my lecture notes, just in time to walk into this lecture theater to start the lecture. Conceptually there is no problem about this, however achieving it in practice is likely to be difficult. So to in a manufacturing operation, components, parts could conceptually arrive just in time to be picked up by a worker and used. So we would stock eliminate any inventory of parts. They would simply arrive just in time. Similarly, we could produce finished goods just in time to be handed to a customer who wants them. So, at a conceptual extreme, JIT has no need for inventory or stock either of raw materials or work in progress or finished goods. Obviously, any sensible person will appreciate that achieving the conceptual extreme outlined above might well be difficult or impossible or extremely expensive in real life. However, that extreme does illustrate that perhaps we could move an existing system towards a system with more of a JIT element than it currently contains. For example, consider a manufacturing process. We might not be able to have a JIT process in terms of handling finished goods to customer. So we would still need some inventory of finished goods. Perhaps it might be possible to arrange raw material deliver so that, for example, material needed for one day's production arrive at the start of the day and are consumed during the day, effectively eliminating raw material inventory. Adopting a JIT is also sometimes referred to as adopting a lean production system. Forward we looking advantages of just in time. So the first advantages of just in time is reduced space needed. With JIT, you have a faster turnaround of stock in which you do not need much warehouse or storage space to store goods. This will ultimately reduce the amount of storage an organization will need to rent or buy freeing up funds for other parts of the business. The next is smaller investment. JIT inventory management is an ideal methodology for small production facilities that do not have the funds needed in order to purchase huge amounts of stock at once. Ordering stock when it's needed enables you to maintain a healthy and smooth cash flows. The next is waste elimination protection. A quicker turnaround of stock prevents goods that have become damaged or obsolete while sitting in storage, reducing waste. This again saves money through preventing investment in any unnecessary stock and reducing the need to replace old stock. Next is increase the work productivity. Next is reduces operating cost. Next is improves performance and throughput, and last improves quality. Now we are discussing about disadvantages of just in time. There are three main points of his disadvantages. The first one is risk of running out of stock. With JIT manufacturing, you do not carry as much stock. This is because you base your stock of demand forecast, and if those are incorrect, then you will not have the correct amount of stock readily available for your consumers. This is one of the most common issues with manufacturing that utilize methodologies such as JIT and lean. The next disadvantages of JIT is lack of control over the time frame. That means having to rely on the timelessness of suppliers for each order puts you at risk of delaying your customers' receipt of goods. If you are unable to meet consumer expectations, then they could take their business elsewhere. The last disadvantages of JIT is more planning required. JIT inventory management requires companies to understand sales trends and variances in close detail. Many companies have seasonal sales periods, meaning that a number of products will need a higher stock level to combat consumer demand. Therefore, you must plan ahead for instances like this and ensure that your suppliers are able to fulfill the requirements. Let's continue the objective of JIT. First objective is no inventories are stored. So, one of the just-in-time objective is to reduce or eliminate the storage of inventories. In the old manufacturing production system, the raw material is purchased, products or goods are produced and stores. This concept a lot of money to store not only raw material but also store finished goods. Also, the production process is quite slow as the company might not seeking a new way to improve the process. Therefore, JIT tries to overcome these problems. The productions are processed only if there are orders from a customers. Second objective of just in time is no material is purchased. In implementing the JIT, the material is not going to purchase if there are no production. No, not like the old system. The raw material is purchased, the result of production, forecasting demand and production. The old system normally has the low networking with suppliers, and most of the raw material required during the years are purchased in advance and spend a lot of money and space on storing the raw material and taking care of them. Just in time system is trying to overcome this by making sure that there is a goods relationship with the supplier and the raw materials are purchased only if there is a production. However, this meet this objective, the company that implements just in time need to build the perfect relationship with its supplier, or in other words, suppliers could access to the company system to understand about the demand. Otherwise, suppliers might not be able to supply the raw material on the time and as required. This is warning point for the company that wishes to implement this system. Third objective is just in time are improve the production system. Another main objective just in time production system it is helping the company to improve the production process in company. We will look in detail how the just in time could help in the following. The next objective is zero inventory, zero breakdown, elimination of non value added activities, and zero defect, and also 100% on time delivery services. 100% on time delivery services is the मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ जस्ट इन टाइम. अब हम आगे ऑब्जेक्टिव कंप्लीट करने के बाद हम आगे पढ़ते हैं कि इसका क्या एक्चुअल में मेजर डिफरेंस होता है जेआईटी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड ट्रेडिशनल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आर में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि जस्ट इन टाइम और जो हमारा जस्ट इन टाइम इम्प्लीमेंट करने के पहले जो नॉर्मली मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज जिस चीज़ को अपनाती, जिस कॉन्सेप्ट को अपनाती थी, वो क्या है. तो सबसे फर्स्ट डिफरेंस ये होता है कि जस्ट इन टाइम एक पुल सिस्टम होता है, लेकिन ट्रेडिशनल जो था वो पुश सिस्टम होता है. सेकेंड हम लोगों का है जस्ट इन टाइम इनसिग्निफिकेंट ऑफ ज़ीरो इन्वेंट्रीज होता है, लेकिन ट्रेडिशनल जो होता है वो सिग्निफिकेंट इन्वेंट्रीज होता है. थर्ड हमारा है कि जस्ट इन टाइम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेल्स होता है, वर्क सेंटर्स होते हैं, लेकिन ट्रेडिशनल जो होता है वो प्रोसेस स्ट्रक्चर होता है. फोर्थ हमारा है मल्टी फंक्शन लेबर होता है, ये स्पेशलाइज्ड लेबर होता है, ये टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट होता है, ये एक्सेप्टेबल क्वालिटी लेवल होता है, ये सिंपल कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग होता है, ये कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग होता है. अगर हम डिटेल में इसको जाएंगे तो ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर मेथड ऑफ फॉर इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट इज जस्ट इन टाइम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. Just in time refers to a system of manufacturing that lets business owners produce product once a customer has requested and paid for it, rather than having already assembled products on the shelves waiting for purchase. Many business owners use this inventory method to increase efficiency and decrease waste by only receiving goods as they need them for a production process, hence just in time, which reduces inventory stock cost. This method therefore requires manufacturers to forecast demand accurately to be effective. Examples of these methods are found in many industries, but mainly in those that make use of a production line or requiring keeping an inventory of raw materials. Some successful companies practicing JIT system include Toyota, Apple, and McDonald's. So we are discussing here some examples of Toyota, Apple, McDonald's. So Toyota was the first to implement JIT effectively in 1970 and is still one of the most successful companies practicing JIT system. Their method, also known as the Toyota production strategy, sees that raw materials are not brought to the production floor until the order is received from the customers and the product is ready to be built. During the production process, no parts are included in the next node or station unless they are required to. This keeps the amount of inventory to a minimum, which as a result lower cost. This also allows Toyota to adapt quickly to customers' demand, significantly reducing the risk of having excessive inventory at its disposal. There are some important factors to Toyota's success. Small quantities of raw material are kept at each station of production, assuring that there is always enough inventory stock to start production of any product. This is also replenished once used. Accurate forecasting to stock raw material at the correct level. The other example is Apple. Tech giant Apple has also leveraged JIT principles to make its manufacturing process a success. Apple's approach to JIT is different in that they leverage their suppliers to achieve JIT goals. Apple has only one central warehouse in the US and about 150 key suppliers worldwide. They developed strong and strategic relationships with their vendors. This outsourcing of production made Apple leaner and resulted in slashing costs and reducing overstocks. With only one central warehouse in the US, most of their inventory is at their retail stores. Adding further to the JIT mix, Apple began to take advantages of drop shipping. As a result, this reduces shipping cost, wastage, and storage cost. The other example is McDonald's. McDonald's fast food chains such as McDonald's use JIT inventory to serve their customers on a daily basis. This fast food Restaurants usually have everything they need on hand, but for example, don't start assembling and making their hamburgers or sundaes until the order has been taken, except for a few finished products at peak times. This standardizes the process so that every time a customer receives an order, they are getting the same consistent experience. There are some factors of McDonald's success. We are discussing about important factors of McDonald's success that are standardized procedure ensuring consistency. GIT method increases customer satisfaction as items are made more freshly. GIT helps business owners save money and reduce wastage while still providing their customers with the products they want and need in the timely manner. As excess inventory is vastly decreased by ordering inventory stock on a just when you need basis, business owners will not need to keep large quantities of inventory stocks parts, reducing all the cost associated with this. So यहाँ पे हम लोगों का JIT का पूरा ऑल लेक्चर्स कंप्लीट हुआ पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2. सो थैंक